What's up guys, welcome to TechTubesT, and today I'm going to show you how to recover an old picture or just a picture which is blurry or scratchy or noisy just in one click. And trust me, the results will definitely surprise you, so watch this full video and give it a try. First of all, let me introduce you to this app called Remini or Remini. It's available in Play Store for free. Now once you install and open the app, it will ask to sign in with Google or Facebook, and I have already signed in. So on the top left you get to see points here. These points are basically number of tries left. In total you get 10 tries per day. I have already used one, so it says 9. You get to see many options here, but what I'm curious about is only the pictures. To get started, hit on enhance and select the picture you want. In my case, I have this old picture downloaded for example. On the right bottom you get to choose different ratios or crop as you want. Now let's not waste more time and hit to the point. Now once it's done with the processing, here are the results. The left side indicates before and the right side indicates after. You get a slider here to observe the difference. There is no doubt you can clearly see a huge difference on face as compared to before and after. Now coming to a second example, here's a picture of mine which is defocused on the face and all the focus goes on the bike. I wish I can fix this thing, so let's give it a try. And again, after processing, you get to see well enhanced picture with no more blurry pixels on your face. So this is what I was talking about guys. If you are facing similar problems with the pictures, this app can come into action. Not only this, you can also click picture on picture if you have any hard copy of your old photos, and you can try to enhance in this app. By the way, this video is not sponsored. So this was pretty much it guys. Hope this video helped you, and let me know in the comment section how this app helped you. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in next one.